Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we're going to be solving this Olympiad mathematics question. So we have cube root of 14 plus x plus cube root of 14 minus x is equal to 4. So we have to solve for the value of x. So how do we solve this problem? Alright, so before we dive into the solution, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share, and click the notification button so that anytime we upload video, you'll be the first to watch. Alright guys, so let's dive into work. So what do you think we can do for us to be able to solve this problem? Yeah, it's not something that is hard. You just have to think outside the box. Like, you just need to think deeply for you to be able to solve this problem. So I'm going to make a substitution. So I'm going to say let a be equal to cube root of 14 plus x. Okay, cube root of 14 plus x. And I'm going to say let b be equal to cube root of 14 minus x. Okay, so instead of us writing cube root of 14 plus x and then cube root of 14 minus x, so we can now write a and b. So we have a plus b equals 4. So next thing I'm gonna do now is to raise both to the third power. So then if you expand a plus b to the third power, so that should give us a raised to the power of 3 plus 3a square b, okay, plus 3ab squared, then plus b raised to the power of 3. Okay, so we can now say a plus b to the third power equals a to the third power plus b to the third power plus 3ab into bracket a plus b. That is, I factor out ab here, I mean 3ab, so what remains here will be b and what remains here will be a. So we can now rewrite it as a plus b. Do you understand now? Okay, and then we know that 4 raised to the power of 3 will give us 64. So we can now write a plus b to the third power as this guy. So we have a to the third power plus b to the third power plus 3ab into bracket a plus b equal to 64. Alright, so what is a cube? Remember that a is cube root of 14 plus x. So a cube will be equal to what? That is, if you raise this to the power of 3. So cube root of 14 plus x to the power of 3, the cube, we cancel out the cube root, so we have 14 plus x. And the same thing with your b raised to the power of 3. So this will be cube root of 14 minus x to the third power, and that's going to give us 14 minus x. So that's actually cool. Okay, then remember a plus b is what? 4 from the question. Coming from the question, a plus b is 4. So take note of that. A plus b is 4. So what we are left with is a times b. We don't know that, but let's just input those we know already. So a cube is 14 plus x. Let's use black marker. 14 plus x, and then b cube is 14 minus x, then plus 3ab, then into bracket a plus b, which is 4, then everything is equal to 64. So 14 plus 14 will give us 28. Then x minus x is 0, so we have 28 plus 3ab into bracket 4 is equal to 64. Then we can collect like terms, so we have now 3 times 4 will give us 12. So you have 12ab is equal to 64 minus 28. So what is 64 minus 28? That should give us 36. So we have 12ab is equal to 36. Then we divide both sides by 12 over 12. So we have ab is equal to, 36 divided by 12 will give us 3. Now let's find ab. What is ab? What is ab? Alright, so let's use red marker for that. So AB will be equal to what? Cube root of 14 plus x, okay, then multiply by what? Cube root of 14 minus x. Alright, so that will be your AB. Since A is cube root of 14 plus x, okay, and B is what? What's it called? Cube root of 14 minus x. So AB is you multiplying the two together. So if you multiply the two together, so we're going to have cube root of 14 plus x, then multiply by what? 14 minus x. You can see that this is difference of 2 squared. So this will surely give us cube root cube root of 14 square minus x squared. So what is 14 squared? That should give us 196. So we have 196 minus x squared. That is your AB. So which is now equal to what? 3. So then next thing you are going to do now is to raise both to the third power so that we can eradicate the cube root over there. So cube, we cancel our cube roots. So we have 196 minus x to the second power is equal to 27, because 3 raised to the power of 3 will give us 27. The next thing we are going to do now is to collect like terms. So we have negative x squared is equal to 27 minus 196. So guys, so what is 27 minus 196? So that one's going to give us negative 169. So you have negative x squared is equal to negative 169. Then divide this by negative 1. So we are going to have x to the second power is equal to 169. Then you take the square root of both sides. So we take the square root of both sides, we have plus or minus. So we have x is equal to plus or minus of 13. So that is the value of x. Alright, so therefore x is plus 13 or negative 13. Alright guys, so if you like this kind of video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, comment, and also share, and click the notification button so that anytime we upload video, you'll be the first to watch. Thanks for watching. See you next time.